Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. As a thank you for being here, we have a special gift for you to enjoy, so stick around until the end. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this accessible yoga practice together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice today, moving into a side leg lift variation. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Lean back at a slight angle, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, your core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine, resting when you need to. Adding on, pause with your knees lifting and together. Begin to open and close, moving through your own range of motion. Feeling this movement activate those deep core muscles. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, and sign up to get your free Chair Yoga Starter Guide plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.